And what are some of the pitfalls to avoid when enterprise organizations advance their project and program management practices?
I think the risk is to become too structured or rigid by using a top-down approach and forget the practical aspect of project management. PMO offices should keep in mind that one process to manage projects may not fit all departments within the same organization. If they adopt Agile, departments may use different frameworks like SAFe or XP or Kanban, or some departments may need to start with a hybrid approach. It is also important to constantly evaluate the established practices as organizations, like people, shift and change through time.
Great, thank you.